Brandon F. Mitchell. I'm watching you. All right, here we go. All right, so we're gonna use ChatGPT for this. I tried the other AI. I forget what it's called. The one that looks like a butthole for the icon, and it didn't work good. So ChatGPT works the best. Make sure you hit 1. Can we get a? No, we can't. Anyway, make sure you hit 1 if you can hear me well. So just give you a minute here. There we go. All right, so this is how I do it. I'm just gonna find someone's video that looks like garbage. Let's see, where can we go? Usually Liberty Patrol doesn't have any good thumbnails. So let's go to Liberty Patrol.
Oh, to put your kid. You should have not.
All right. So you see his thumbnails like suck. So we're gonna make him a thumbnail, and I'll show you exactly how I do it. So I'll go through the video. You could do this on your phone as well. And I don't know, let's see what the good parts are. There's you just write down crazy parts. So we get some good Karens. So it looks like I actually watched this video earlier. This guy started wanting to fight and stuff, so we're gonna get that action. So here's what we're gonna do. Here we go. We're gonna take his picture. We're gonna copy. And we're gonna paste it here. And then we're gonna take another one. That looks like a good one here. So we're just gonna, so I'm using Shift Command 4 if you're on a Mac, and then holding Control. Like I said, you could do this on your cell phone. Let's do a couple more. I usually do like 3 or 4. This one, let's take a big one. Whoops. That's not what I wanted. Like that. And then let's paste it here. You guys still with me? So then in ChatGPT, I'm going to say create. It doesn't matter if you misspell it. A YouTube. Wow. Thumbnail. You could do vertical ones too, by the way. Let's see what his title was. So let's just copy his title. We're doing this for you, Liberty Patrol, because I really like your videos. You just need better thumbnails. All right. Let's hit enter and see what happens. And while we're waiting, you could go ahead and hit like and subscribe if you haven't yet. And like I said, you could do this on your cell phone. You just take a screenshot and then crop the picture that you want to paste in. And then you're going to be like, holy shit. It's either bad or good. But usually it's not bad. It's usually decent. So you're going to hit 1 if it's good. You hit 2 if it's bad. But it looks like it came a little short here. It got cut off. So, you know, we're going to try to make the title a little bit shorter for the thumbnail. Make this the... Usually I get it a good one on a first try. So it takes me like maybe 30 seconds to do a thumbnail. And if you edit your videos in a way where you just play the full video through, you know, you're ready to upload the thumbnail, and your video's up in about, I don't know, 30, 45 minutes if you're doing 1080p or less. And then you could schedule it.
Emotional damage.
How do you guys like this one? Hit 1 if you like this one, or if you want me to do another one for you. All right, we're gonna do another one. Basically, you save the image, and then you could upload it to YouTube as the thumbnail. So this is how it looks like. So I do like 2 people pictures and then 1 picture of like where they're at to get the location, you know, so it's got like the situation. So let's do another one for Mr. Liberty Patrol. Karen chooses salt and battery. Oh, by the way, his videos are great. All right, here we go.
Thank you. You're wonderful. Oh.
We just want the crazy parts, so... Crazy parts. Wait, no, that's comment. Let's do the ask. Why isn't the ask part working?
Thank you. You're wonderful.
Oh, it's on the side there.
And you know what? You're even cooler because you got Adidas. Let's go, Adidas sister. Let's go. You're awesome. We love your soul.
Thank you. I love you.
You're amazing. This guy keeps acting like he's on the phone and...
You live out, you.
Hey, why are you saying things like that in front of this lovely lady? Go fuck yourself, bud.
So we're gonna get this guy. Let's grab the whole thing. Actually, let's just do a new one right here. Create a thumbnail for YouTube. Paste it. Usually if you get cops in there, that's extra points. If you see Liberty Patrol, tell him I says hi. Tell him to watch this video. There's a gang sign right there. We got to get the gang sign. Let's do this right here. Let's get part of the title. This is too long, so let's just do, and you don't want to do assault and battery because then the video gets I don't know, kind of shadow banned. But we're gonna do this anyway. Let's see what it comes up with. While we're waiting again, hit the like and subscribe. Here we go.
Emotional damage.
So I don't like how this one turned out. It looks a little weird. So let's just have it remake it. You could always add to it. Oh, here's a Karen. Maybe we could add a Karen to it if it doesn't come out well. Okay, add this. Tell them to make it better. Because it looks like it just remade the same one. But like I said, if you're on the go, if you're making like 3 or 4 videos a day, this is the easiest way to do it. And you could kind of tell it to make it like a certain one that you made before. See what this one comes up at. So I'm using the paid version of ChatGPT. I believe it's $20 a month. But you could download it on your phone too. Make sure you get it from the right source, the App Store. And you get the right one because there's going to be like 50 other ones. Thanks, Janie. Yep, smash that like. Okay, this is kind of cool. It gives you a choice of 2. So here you could just choose which one you want. And there you go. You just take it, save it in the Jazz, and you got yourself a thumbnail. How do you like that? So you can rewatch this video to see how I made it. I'm working on a Mac, so it's Shift Command 4 to get the this cross thing, so you can copy, and then I hold Control so it doesn't save the screenshot, it copies the screenshot, and then I hit paste here. So that's how you do it. Anyway, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and if you like what I do, then I might create another tutorial for you. So anyway, have a nice day. Thank you.